Yeah, that's me sitting there. My name is Yakadochis, but you can call me Yak. I'm the worst rain stick man ever. But I wasn't always this way. Or actually, I was. I was willing to do anything to become the best rain stick man. I heard of a legend which spoke about dealing with the devil. You know, Satan, Luciferus. Anyways, if a musician sells his soul to the devil, his talents increase dramatically. Like, whoa. And this is where it all started. Hi, my name's Yakadochis.
I'm Guillermo. You can call me Bill.
Nice to meet you, Bill.
What can I do for you?
Dude, give me some talent.
There's a price to pay for that talent.
What's the price?
I had to take your soul.
Well, I think you got yourself a deal. Here's my soul.
Here's your new instrument.
Sweet.
Play it well.
Now I can be the best rain stick man ever.
Good luck. And vaya con Dios, young man.
At what point in my life did I make a wrong turn? What did I just do? What was so important that I had to do this? I've sold my soul to the devil, and I have to get it back. I knew I could find old Beelzebub at the flagpole.
Pinche güero, ¿qué quieres?
Dude, I sold you my soul. You said I'd be awesome. I still stink.
You'll always stink. You don't have any talent.
Still, I gave you I want my soul back.
You want your soul back?
Yeah. What do I owe you for it?
Your soul stinks. In fact, tu zapato huele horrible. You don't owe me anything.